When I was first starting off, I definitely did not enjoy the gym. I was I felt like the beginner in there, like definitely like everybody was judging me in that I was slow in everything I needed to do and I kind of didn't know what I was doing. I was scrambling from thing to thing. There wasn't really any regimen and it definitely wasn't enjoyable. I would definitely not say it was enjoyable. But now in the gym, it's definitely enjoyable because I know what I'm doing, and that definitely helps. But when you're just starting off, what really helps it become enjoyable? And there's one big thing that definitely helps it become more enjoyable, and that is having a training partner. Having a training partner makes going to the gym 10 times more enjoyable because when you have somebody next to there with you, first off, that eliminates that kind of embarrassment because you're there with somebody else. And when you're with somebody else going through the same thing, and even if they're not a beginner, they can guide you and it will also cause less embarrassment. But let's just say you're both beginners, you can both motivate each other, and since it's a shared experience, that embarrassment kind of goes away. Now, the second thing is I would just say have a routine. So, this doesn't have to be like a split, which, if you don't know what that is, it's basically just like what you do by day. So, if it's like Monday chest, um, Tuesday arms, Wednesday legs, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm saying your gym routine. So like when you go into the gym, like if you're doing chest, like what you're gonna do. So just like to name some basic things. Okay, I'm going in to do chest, bench press, dumbbell press, like a chest fly. So when you go into the gym, and you can even like if you want to see a video where I break down the best things to do as a beginner in the gym, and also in general, definitely write that down in the comments. But you could also just literally go on ChatGPT and search up a gym routine for the what you want to do that day. And if you don't know what it is, it can describe it to you. It can describe how to do it. So that's definitely a hack I would use because when I started off, I didn't have ChatGPT, so I kind of just had to like learn by asking people or just kind of googling it and going to images and seeing like like what to do because I was like so confused. But definitely use your tools to your advantage, and also when you go in there with a routine, you know what you're doing, you're going from thing to thing, you're not really like scrambling around and you don't really look too lost. And then the last thing is just kind of you got to be there in there enough days. So like the more you're in there, the more comfortable you're gonna get, and the more enjoyable it will be. And trust me, if you see yourself struggling, it's gonna get enjoyable. Once you start seeing gains, once you start knowing what you're doing, it's gonna become enjoyable. I know everybody I know that goes to the gym, they started off their first period, and usually it's like as short as a month and even shorter. For me, it was maybe like 2 weeks. So, like, I'd say a month is the longest you like won't enjoy yourself for, as long as you're doing everything right and you like learn what you're supposed to be doing. Which again, I can make a video on that if you just put it in the comments below. So, and then once you keep making gains, once you know what you're doing, you're gonna just keep enjoy it, and it's gonna become like a hobby. You know, like yeah, again, everybody I know that goes to the gym that I'm like friends with there are like they've been in the gym for a while and it's like a hobby, it's an enjoyable thing, and science backs that up. You actually release dopamine when you're exercising because it or sorry, you release a lot of dopamine right after you're done exercising because it knows it's like your body knows you're doing something good for it, so therefore it releases dopamine. Yeah, but that's basically it. If you want to see anything down below, you know, or if you want to see any videos, comment that down below. And for any of you wondering, that's like my subscribers, why I haven't posted in 11 days, it's kind of a combination of two things, which is firstly, like I got surgery on my mouth, so I couldn't really speak or anything. And then I kind of did become a bit lazy, and I did have a lot of schoolwork, so I kind of avoided making a video. But I'm back on schedule now, and I'll be posting every day. So that's basically it. As always, work hard.